How to add payment icons to your Shopify store footer. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you step by step how to do so. It is very simple and easy to do, so let's just go ahead and get started. First, you'll need to just go to settings from the bottom left, go to payments, and then just make sure that you have the payment methods already set up. Otherwise, it's not really going to show up in your footer. So once you actually set up your payments, in my case, I'm just going to go for this one, for the testing one. It still works, so it's fine. So just exit out of here and just go back to your online store, go to themes and click on edit theme. From here, all you need to do to really show the payment icons on the footer is click next to the footer here on the left panel. Click on add block. And then from here, you should just scroll down until you find payment icons. So if you just go ahead and click on that, depending on what you have enabled, they're actually going to just show up in here, and that's all you need to do. Now you can even click on it and you have more options, for example, the gap between them. You can also change the alignment, whether you want it to be centralized, left, right, or space between. And you also have the padding options here to play around with. Now what else you can do is actually you can move it around if you want to. So if you, for example, if you want it to be in the middle, you simply just drag it from the left and move it downwards, and you can see that you can actually feel free to move it wherever you want. Click on save on the top right corner, and this is it. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and for more information subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.